So come cook Christmas Eve family with me. I just woke up. I just washed my face, and I'm getting to cooking because it's already 1 o'clock and I'm hungry. Right, so you're gonna get your pernil. I got half a pork shoulder. Right, it's a pork shoulder, half of it. Little one, because nobody's gonna visit. It's just me and my baby. I eat this today and tomorrow. So you're gonna take your knife, right, and you're gonna stab a hole right through the pernil, right? So when you wash it and you season it, all the flavors could go in there. Right? And the wash, when you wash it, it actually gets thoroughly clean, right? And the flavors could go in when you season it. So I am going to lay this baby like this because there's extra skin here and I want all that skin. Okay, we're gonna lay it sideways today. And put this away. I had already stabbed multiple. I already had stabbed them multiple times, so I don't really have to do it for you. But you get the drill. You stab it all around. So you're gonna get started with the seasonings, right? I am looking forward to the new year because I want new seasonings. I don't want these. And I will recommend 2 tablespoons of everything. I'm not measuring it with a tablespoon today. I am measuring it with the eye because I know what I want. I'm tired of these brands, Badia and no. I want exotic brands. I'm like Ecuador, Salvador. Not even Jamaican because I did Jamaican for way too long. So Salvador, Ecuador, Brazil. I like that. Anyways, we get all our seasonings in, whatever that is for you. I'm Hispanic, so I do adobo, sazon, goya, and stuff like that. But I'm tired of goya. Honestly, I'm tired of goya. Alright, we got that in a little bowl. I've been mixing it in here. Alright, you can shake it. You can stir it. So you can stir. There we go. Titty. You can taste it. Okay, I like it. And then you can get gloves for this. Let me get a glove. Okay, I don't have no more gloves. And we're just gonna do it by hand. You can sprinkle it on it. And you see that hole that we made? We're gonna stick our finger in there with some seasoning. And you can clean this with some lemon or some vinegar. That's what I did. I use vinegar because I miss cleaning with vinegar. I haven't cleaned with vinegar in a long time. So you wanna get your finger in there. You see that hole I made? Can you see? No, adobo. Get out the way. See this hole I made? We're gonna get our fingers in there. And rub it in all over the place. And then let's find it in there. My neighbors are repairing something. In there. Right. That's here. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna eat this with some pigeon peas. So I'm gonna do that rice, right? Amoro of gandules. Amoro of pigeon peas, right? And I want egg salad, honestly. So I'm gonna do an egg salad. Okay, like that. This the color should be. And it tastes good. It's good. It tastes like pernil. It tastes like party food. So I'm cooking party food basically. That's what I call party food. And my favorite is party food. This one is more seasoned. Big deep hole. That goes over the blue. And she's good. I'm gonna use the rest of the seasoning for my rice. So it's not much left. It's like you see nothing. Too much. Nothing. I'm gonna wash my hands. My hands are stained, but because I didn't have any gloves, but it's okay. Because by the end of the night, it should be gone. And then I am gonna make a funfetti cake. I haven't made funfetti cake in a long time with some, what is this, vanilla. I thought it was strawberry, vanilla frosting. I haven't had this in like 5 years, not even with my daughter because she was tiny. And there's no purpose of her eating it if like she didn't know what it is. I think she did pick one out from like a shop one time, and it was funfetti, but I didn't say nothing. But I've been waiting to make this with her, where to the point where she understands. Okay, I missed it. I can't wait. I didn't want to buy any desserts. This is what I'm craving. This is what I wanted. And I come in these beautiful bowls. So I don't know. Stay tuned, maybe. Stay tuned for the next video of me baking a cake and probably making rice. I don't know. Oh, and you're gonna want to bake this in the oven, 350 degrees for I don't know, 3 hours, 2 hours. 2 hours you check it. This is the thing. If this part, the skin part, oh yeah, I'm gonna bake it like this. If this part is nice and crispy, then you're good to go. Because what the best part about the pernil, the pork shoulder, is that the crispy skin, like the chicharron, the chicharron, right? Um, the best part is the skin. So if that's already crunchy, I'm pretty sure your penne is ready. So my thing is, I'm gonna wait for this uh, skin to get crunchy. And I lick my finger. I lick everything. It's mine, okay? Because it's mine. I could do that. Alright, so you're gonna wanna preheat your oven. You're gonna hit bake. You're gonna pick your temperature 350. You're gonna start it. It should preheat. And then we're gonna put this baby in the oven. And I gotta clean my oven later. So my rice video didn't have any volume, so I deleted it. But you're gonna see parts of it, and I guess you just watch it done in my next video. Sorry. And I'm just gonna pour in my rice. I know how much to pour in, so I just, you can measure it. I'm not measuring. Okay, so I added a cup of water with my rice. Like a cup and a half I added. And this is it. I'll let her cook. I'll wait, cover it. And with the remainder of your rice, you can just clip it like I do until you get like that rice holder thing, that new thing, that string thing that I want to get. Yeah. So then we're going to stir it. Well, turn the rice or turn it. Oh. One hand is not easy. I don't have a cameraman. Never have, never will. Well, probably will, but probably not. Let me not get my hopes too high. Yes, okay. I'm gonna cover it again.